Hello friends, I hope you had a smooth embryo transfer. But now, what are the 5 most important things you should keep in mind before leaving the center where the embryo transfer was done? Number 1, please collect all your medical records and a detailed embryology discharge summary which bears the number of embryos transferred, the grading of the embryos, and also the photograph of the embryos. You should also know how many embryos are remaining with the center and what is the grading of the remaining embryos. I hope that this journey is successful, but sometimes in cases of failure of IVF, it becomes very important to actually analyze what quality of embryos were transferred and what quality of embryos are remaining next to be transferred. Number 2, please inquire from your clinician about your endometrial lining. Please confirm the thickness of endometrial lining, the pattern of endometrial lining, and also the blood supply to the endometrium. Number 3, please understand all the medications advised by the clinician post-transfer. It is important to take all medications advised and also relatively on the exact times for a successful pregnancy. Sometimes we perform the beta HCG, which is the test of pregnancy, after 14 days of transfer, and in case we are living in a remote area where the report does not come within 24 hours, the next day, in the wait period of the report, we leave all our medications. This is not the right thing to do. In case you feel that at your place, the report will take more than 24 hours to arrive, please take medications for 1 day extra and do not stop anything before you get the formal beta HCG report. Number 4, throughout the wait period for the test to be done, please maintain a distance from people suffering from infections. Do not hold urine, do not go to public places, do not go to social gatherings where people might be suffering from certain infections, because sometimes if you get infected, it is very difficult for us to advise any antibiotics because these can interfere with the pregnancy. Number 5, in case you are planning a long travel, it is advisable to avoid travel 1 or 2 days after embryo transfer. It is absolutely okay to travel after that, but please do not hold urine, please take your medications on time, and do not have a very hectic travel planned because this might interfere with the result of pregnancy. Last but not the least, you have already done your job. You have already done hard to get this IVF cycle done. Please leave the rest on nature. Do not take stress, as stress hormones can adversely affect our reproductive system. So all the very best for your result in future. Thank you.